Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by mapping a 6-8-week study calendar that fits your schedule, committing to 2-4 hours per day most days. Take a baseline assessment exam to quantify strengths and weaknesses, then prioritize topics where you score lowest. Allocate study blocks to core domains like safe care, pharmacology, and clinical reasoning so you reach roughly 80% mastery before ramping up practice questions. Use daily reviews of 1 to 2 high-yield objectives and adjust the calendar as you improve, keeping measurable weekly targets for progress and retention. Focus on deliberate practice. Schedule 300-500 practice questions each week in 60-minute, focused blocks with targeted review after each set. Use spaced repetition for high-yield facts such as drug dosages, lab values, and procedures, reviewing flashcards or mnemonic summaries every day. After every 2 weeks of QBank work, take a full-length practice exam to build stamina and clinical judgment under timed conditions. Repeat this 3 times with review sessions of missed concepts. Track error trends and convert mistakes into short study tasks for the next day. In the final week, taper intensity. Shift to shorter sessions, focused reviews, and 50-100 practice questions per day emphasizing weak spots. Avoid cramming new topics. Instead, consolidate high-yield facts and step-by-step interventions. The night before, prioritize 7-8 hours of sleep, hydrate, and pack your ID and needed items. On test day, expect up to 5 hours total testing time. Practice pacing, skip and flag questions, and use breaks strategically. Post-test, reflect on what worked in your routine for future licensing or continuing education.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.